Welcome to the world of data transmission. The data transmission component is a powerful tool that allows you to transfer data from a specified address to a target address. Let's dive into how you can set this up. Start by navigating to Component Switch, Data Transmission from the menu bar. This will open up the interface. Now it's time to configure the relevant parameters. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each one. Action. This includes the press and release actions. It's like a virtual handshake between the source and target addresses. Two-way transfer. Want to transfer data both ways? Just select Two-way transfer. This will allow data to flow from the source address to the target address and vice versa. Data type. You can choose between a word, data of word address, or a bit, data of bit address. It's like choosing the language for your data. Transmission words, transmission bits. This is the amount of data to be transferred at one time. You can set it as a constant or use a variable. When using a variable, you'll need to specify the register address. Keep in mind, FS Global limits the maximum number of transfers to 8192 words. The source address is the location from which the data originates, and the destination address is where the data is intended to go. These addresses are crucial for the correct routing and successful delivery of data. Use address tag. This is where the address tag library comes in. It uses tags to represent corresponding bit addresses. It's like giving a nickname to your addresses. Device. This could be an HMI local register, recipe register, or a register of PLC. Think of it as the home for your data. Address type. This will depend on your specific situation. It could be LW, RW, etc. Address. This is the register address. Again, this will depend on your specific situation. Address index. This is a cool feature that lets you use the value of a specified word address to change the current address. For example, if the current address is LW1, and you set the address index to LW2 and the offset to 3, then the actual address would be LW1 plus the value of LW2 plus 3. Once you've configured the parameters, click OK. Next, set the properties for the indicator light, label, etc. and click OK. This will help you customize your data transmission component. Setting up your HMI software correctly is key to ensuring smooth data transmission. Once you've properly configured your source and destination addresses and set up the other necessary parameters, your HMI software will be capable of transmitting data efficiently and accurately.